Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Carrie and today we're going to be taking you on a nursery tour. Currently right now I am 39 weeks pregnant. So you can see the bump here, it's definitely here, and we're just now waiting for baby to arrive, and we pretty much finished what our nursery will look like, and we're just excited to show you all around. So come with me. All right, so this is our nursery, and we just probably looks like a lot of other nurseries out there, but we're just excited because it's pretty much done, and it took us a couple months after we moved in here. We just moved in here recently, and there are boxes all over the place at one point, but now it's all together. So we can just start on this side, I guess. And this is our crib that we got, and I believe we got this one from Target. It's like the Delta brand crib. And it's one of those ones that are convertible. They go into a bed later on, so we will see how this works out for us. Inside, we did have to buy a mattress. It did not come with a mattress. And we also bought like a waterproof sheet. So if baby has accidents or something, then we can wash this. The next item that we have is a Dockatot. And this was given to me by one of my friends who used this for her baby when her baby was young. And this is definitely not like a sleeping item. This is more so for supervision or naps in the daytime. And I've heard a lot of good things about this. So I'm excited to try out the Dockatot. This I think is a cover that she bought. This is not the original cover that comes with it. Our next item is this really cute blanket that we have from Fighting Eel. And it's soft and it seems really nice. We're just probably gonna put this on the ground when we want to put her down on something probably. But it's washable and it seems very cuddly. So we'll be using this. We also got a baby monitor that Reid put up yesterday, and this is called the Hello Baby one. And we're just charging it now. So it comes with like this remote. And I think we're still trying to figure out how to use it, or do you know how to use it? We will probably figure this out when we have baby, but this is the one that we have. This is the one that was on our registry too. So this item is the Lambs and Ivy Baby Mobile. And this is actually for my sister because a lot of you know she's had a lot of babies recently and they didn't end up using this one. So we were gifted this one and we're very grateful because it's very cute. It kind of goes with like the neutral color scheme that we have going on in the room. And yeah, it just seems very soft and very gentle. And at first when we were doing the baby room, I was thinking maybe I don't need a changing table. I was thinking I would just put like a changing pad on our dresser, but I realized that I needed some place to put diapers and just all of the things that baby needs. So the last minute I decided to get a changing table. And so this I believe is another Delta brand changing table. And the changing pad that we were able to get is called the Hatch. And it's a really nice changing pad. It's able to measure the baby's feedings. It's able to measure their weight. And so I think for Reid and I, that'll be really good to know every day, I guess, of if she's growing, if she's eating, if she's not eating, and all of that. So that'd be really good. And it's all done through an app. So we're still trying to figure that out. I'm sure when baby comes, we'll be able to figure that out a little bit better. And then I just got some baskets from Amazon underneath that have our diapers. We have a wipe warmer that somebody gave us. And we have a lot of ones diapers. So not sure how long baby will be in newborn diapers, but we are definitely ready for size 1. And knowing that she is, the last time we checked, she was over 6.5 pounds, which was like a couple weeks ago. I'm a little nervous that she's gonna be close to 8 pounds or so when she comes out. We'll see. But anyway, that's our changing area. The next item that we have is our diaper pail, and this is a Munchkin brand one. And Jenny, my sister, really recommended this to us because she has 3 children that are still in diapers right now, and they love this thing because it just takes the smell away. So when you open it, then it just sucks the diaper right in, and I guess it just prevents the smell from coming out, which I think that's great. So excited about this diaper pail. The next thing we have is a Delta dresser, and I think we got this one from Target, but it's pretty sturdy. So this one we actually did not even have to bolt to the wall because it's very, very sturdy feeling, and it's soft clothes, which I like as well. And so right now, currently, I just took out clothes, newborn clothes, and clothes probably only till 3 months. So we're very grateful that we're probably one of the last people that we know to have a baby, it feels like. So everybody, our friends and our family all have children, and a lot of people have gifted us or just given us clothes from, you know, hand-me-downs from their children. And so we just have a lot of clothes ready to go. I washed all the newborn stuff and all the things that are 0 to 3 months ready for baby. We have a really cute basket full of swaddles, so I hope this will come in handy. I asked on my Instagram a couple weeks ago how many swaddles you need. It was interesting because some people said they only use like 1 or 2, and some people said they use like a ton. So I guess everyone's different, and we will see. This is a basket that's gonna go downstairs, so it just has extra diapers, it has wipes, swaddles, and burpee cloth things. So I'm gonna leave this downstairs when baby comes. And then we have more burp cloths and just like, yeah, basically more burp cloths here. So ready for all of that spit up that probably will happen. And all of these baskets too, they're all from Amazon, and I'll put the links down below of which ones we got. And all of this was gifted to us, so we're just very grateful for all of our friends and family that have thought about us during this time. So the diaper bag that we got that was on our registry is the Ruvolino diaper bag, and it just looked comfortable. I mean, I didn't really know which one to choose. There's so many options, so just got this one. It comes with one of those changing pads in it. So then it comes with this, and it seems pretty spacious inside. I already put in, I got a, what is this called? This is for when you breastfeed, the cover up. I got a cover up for when you breastfeed, and yeah, it seems pretty spacious. Neutral color, so when Reid has to carry this around, not too girly. I can model it for all of you. Let's see. Ooh, it's a little actually bulky. We'll see. So it kind of looks like this. Then in the corner here, we have the Sweet Snuggle Puppy Swing, and it's a Fisher-Price swing. And this was also given to us by my friend who, her baby is now almost a year old. And so she used this for her baby for the first couple months. And so she asked if we wanted it, and we said sure. So here's a swing. And I believe it comes with music and just motion, and so we will see if baby likes this. We also, we didn't take out the box yet, but I guess but I wanted to show everybody, is this Play Discover Activity Gym. It's just really cute. It's from Amazon. It was on our registry. My auntie bought it for us, and I believe we'll probably set this up downstairs when when baby's here. So we didn't need to take it out yet, but we will eventually. So we got this shelf from Amazon, and this shelf we were a little disappointed with because it was used, and I don't remember, like I looked back in my records and I don't think I bought a used shelf, but it was like second hand when we got it, and we put it together. So we were gonna return it if we felt that it wasn't like in really good condition, and we just decided to keep it just because of the time constraints that we were having, and that, yeah, I mean, it looks okay. Like if you didn't know that it was used, then you can't really tell. But if you look up close, you can kind of tell. But overall, you know, it's okay. We did have to bolt this one to the wall because it's not the most sturdy. So he did have to do that. And we also, a lot of the toys here that we have, we got from our registry as well, or we put it on our registry and people gifted a lot to us. This is the first picture of our baby that we got at our ultrasound a couple weeks ago. This is the best picture we have of her face so far, and we were gifted this at one of our baby showers, so that was really, really nice. And yeah, we just have a lot of different toys. We have books, we have puzzles, and just a nice area for her to start exploring toys and all of this, like shaker kind of stuff that make noise. The last thing that we have here is some artwork, and we showed this in a previous vlog. We got this on the North Shore. The artwork is by Chris Goto, which she's married to one of Reid's friends, and so we wanted to support local, of course. We just thought these 3 pieces were fitting for the baby's room, with lots of color and with just a unique and eclectic flavor as well to it. So that's kind of why we chose them. So that is our kind of like toy wall for now. I'm sure it won't stay this clean or this organized, but for now it looks, you know, very appealing to the eyes. And then the last thing is we just got like a small laundry basket from Target a while back actually, and it's a neutral color that we thought would fit well in this room. Now we're in our bedroom, and we inherited this bassinet, and this is a bassinet for my sister that she used for her children, and so she said this was enough for them, and we're gonna try this one out too. This is a Chico Bassinet, and it's portable, so that's a really good thing about this one as well, that you can just fold it up and take it somewhere else if we needed to. But this is the one that we're going to be using for baby in our room. One of our favorite pieces that we have of baby furniture is this Ashley brand rocking chair. And I remember we went to the store and I saw it the first time, loved it, but we were like, oh, we'll see if there's something better. And this piece was always on my mind. And so we went back a second time and we decided to purchase it. So just really comfortable, and I think the thing I like about this too is after baby is big, then we can use this as just a chair, and we sit in it now like it's just another piece of furniture, but something that I think we will be using a lot when baby comes. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed watching the nursery tour of our nursery, and we're just excited. In a couple more weeks baby will be here, and we're just excited to welcome her in her brand new space and her room and just at our house. So thank you so much for watching. All of the things that we have in our nursery will be in the description box below. You can see where we got it from, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.